Hi, my name's Krish. I'm the UK North and International Account Manager for Hamar Company Limited. Welcome to our product spotlight and demonstration. Today we are very excited to introduce you to the Ingersoll Round W7152 tool that is designed to revolutionise the way you work and increase your productivity levels. So the Ingersoll Round W7152 tool. This tool has been designed to simplify your tasks and save you valuable time. Whether you are a professional or a student, this tool will become your ultimate companion. Some of the key benefits of using this tool: it has a 2040 Newton meter 20V cordless impact wrench with a 1/2 inch square drive. Weighing only 3.45 kilograms, this cordless impact wrench set can be used for longer periods of time without discomfort. The robust and durable all-metal drive, train and hammer mechanism are optimized for maximum power output. So no matter what industry you're in, this tool will adapt to your needs. As you can see, this is a game changer. It will streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and ultimately help you achieve your goals more efficiently. So why wait? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already embraced this tool and experienced the benefits for yourself. So thank you for joining us today for this product spotlight and demonstration. I hope you found it informative. So if you would like any more information on the Ingersoll Round W7152 tool, please do not hesitate to contact us and one of our team will be more than happy to help. Have a productive day.